This is a 3-ton 2006 rheem unit running in heat mode. It's got a Protect fan motor. And yeah, there's the Copeland scroll compressor. It's running in heat mode, obviously. Good about outer temp. Oh, this thing's hot. It's actually nice, cold and sweaty. So there's a disconnect box there. Yep, this is a 3-ton unit from the 6th week of 2006, February of 2006. And there's my brother's dog. It is really nice. So, yeah, I know. But yeah, it's got a catch-all filter dryer. I forgot to mention, and it's a little bit warm. It's quiet. Next door neighbor is there's a door line on the next door neighbor. Yeah, as I mentioned, the rheem is running upstairs unit.